a special shout out to you for watching this video. So yeah, my house is finished and I am so proud of myself. I can't get over it. But so now it's time to just start with the outside, with the windows. So I'm going to fix my windows, and then here and there's stuff that I want to just fix and change in the house. So I'm going to go around the house and end with the inside. It's like small little things like, okay, the lapa is fine, kitchen, living room is fine, parents' bedroom is fine, just maybe change the duvet cover a bit, and baby room is fine. And then here by the boys' room, I'm going to take this thing out. I've got other plans with it. I'll show you now. So I'm going to take this out, and I'm going to just build him a little dresser here, something like here in the parents' bedroom, something like this. I'm going to build him just a little dresser here, and then this I also going to take out here, because this is not going to be my laundry. This is was where the stairs was supposed to be, but I'm not going to worry about the stairs anymore. I'm rather just going to put maybe some plants or a little chair or something here. But yeah, an art against the wall, but that's not going to be my laundry. I've got a daughter's room is also fine. I've also just changed the bedding a bit. And let me say like this, but about 2 years ago, I bought this dollhouse on our local buy and sell, Facebook buy and sell, at Facebook Market. I bought this dollhouse because I totally want to really do a makeover on this dollhouse. And with this dollhouse, I got a bag full of stuff, and I totally forgot about the stuff I got in that bag until recently, just when I finished with my house. I got almost all these dolls in the bag. Well, at least half of these dolls, although I'm not going to use them in my house. I've got other plans with this doll, so yeah, watch this space. And I'm even got furniture, even a Barbie car, Jeep, and then this kitchen stuff here. I got, well, that was in the bag, and this is a laundry, and this bed, but it was put away. So yeah, like I say, out of sight, out of mind. And then, like I said, I recently remember about all this stuff. So this gave me so much inspiration. I just want to start with this, the third level now. So going to be my guest room. This, and that is why I put this here, because I thought this will be idle. I'm going to build in this little corner here. I'm going to build, just make it stand again, a little craft area. I mean, obviously crafting now. So yeah, I'm gonna make a little craft area here. In the corner there's going to be the shower, and then a bed here for the, like, for a guest room. And this is like a nice little laundry, and it fits perfectly in my space here. I did bought this to washing machines also, I don't know, maybe like 3 years ago, maybe longer ago, I don't know. And I bought this as well because I wanted to use that as in my laundry, but now I don't need to, because there's a washing machine and a tumble dryer, and I wanted the basin in there, and so this is idle. So I'm going to use this for my laundry, and not this. I think I'm going to use this maybe in the house I'm going to do a makeover on. And then for Mary's little, like a penthouse, I've got this little kitchen set as well, so it's also perfect. It's, the space is fine. There's the basin, the stove, and a working space, because it's just not the microwave oven. So maybe I will put the microwave oven there. I don't know. And I've got also even for the, but this is for with the laundry, but I'm not going to use this. I will also maybe use this in another house as a cupboard or something. I don't know, but I'm not going to use that. So yeah. And then it's going to be my living room area, and the bathroom is going to be here. We just take this stuff away. So like I said, the bathroom here, and then little Tommy's bedroom, and in this area here, and then Mary's bedroom here. I already got even so much inspiration. I got materials and all the stuff ready. This is for my guest room. This maroon color is for my guest room. And I already got colors and wallpapers and stuff for the penthouse. So yeah, I've got so much inspiration, but okay, I must do my windows and all that other stuff first. Before I can start with this, I must. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so this wall here is fine. I don't have to do anything here. This is here by the lapa. So yeah, it looks actually nice from this side. And then this window is also ready, the daughter's room. So I'm going to make all my windows like this window, because all this window here is falling apart here, as you can see here how it looks. And even this one window here fell out. So yeah, I must fix these windows first. So yeah, let's fix it. Okay, I'm really happy of how my windows come out. So now at last this windows is also fixed, and the back side of the house is also, there's nothing except for the top here, but I'm not going to do anything here because the third level is going to come up here. But yeah, furthermore, the back of the house is finished. I even finished the side window here as well. So yeah, all my underside here is also finished. Everything is done. It's just for the little LED lights that I must still find a place to put here on the side. And but that will, I think I will do that with, so I will do that, and then the dresser in Darren's bedroom, and then the door in Kylie's bedroom, but that will be in the next one. So yeah, and please be careful with a hot glue gun. It's gonna hurt you really badly. But yeah, until next time, bye.